Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Yeah, my lovely subscribers, how are you guys doing? Hope great. If you are new to this channel, this is Linda from Linda Michaels TV. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use aloe vera and moringa plus banana to make a deep hair mask for your perfect hair growth. Guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay, for more interesting video, and click the notification bell for more videos. Yeah, this is moringa, aloe vera and banana. So we're gonna be mixing the three of them, these super ingredients, to make our deep hair mask. Aloe vera is very rich in vitamins, minerals, and other ingredients that are essential for healthy hair growth. Aloe vera rejuvenates the hair, giving it elasticity and preventing breakage. Therefore, using aloe vera on your hair helps it grow healthy and strong. It is scientifically proven that aloe vera can be very much effective for dandruff and repair of dead skin cells on the scalp, and this prevents itching. So it's very much advisable to include aloe vera in your hair regimen products such as conditioner, shampoos, styling products to help you grow more hair and have a very healthy and thick hair. You also reap all the benefits from aloe vera. I just added a little bit of water to let it blend through freely. At this point, I went ahead straining it out to get the juice without the chaff. I used a very clean cloth. You can use any other thing that works for you. Some can use socks for that. And this cloth really worked for me. I got a lot of juice and the chaff was very much separated. Yeah, you can see that. So handy to use. And this is the chaff that came out. I'll be pouring the aloe vera juice into the blender, and I'll be adding the other ingredients, banana, moringa, and some other oils to make the paste. I used 2 bananas for this recipe. Bananas are great for your scalp. They improve manageability and shine, prevent and control dandruff, and moisturize your scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, prevent split ends and breakage. I used 1/4 cup of moringa powder for this recipe. Moringa powder is another super ingredient in this recipe. Then I used 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of amla oil.
Baby, it's not right. It's not right. No. Going insane. Got a problem to fix. Can we face it tonight? Face it tonight. Oh.
2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil.
Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though. You never think it through.
And finally, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Having gotten all these powerful natural ingredients in the blender, I went ahead blending it to make a paste for this deep hair mask. Moringa is very good for our natural hair. It's the powerhouse of all the ingredients to apply to your hair. This is because it has a large variety of minerals, including zinc, essential for hair production, and antioxidants to help boost keratin production. It helps restore your hair strength, promote hair growth, and repair damaged hair.
Why you playing? No rhyme or reason, no, it's not fair. It's not fair.
So guys, adding all these ingredients and putting them together in one paste will help your hair make a very great change and boost growth and healthiness of your hair.
Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby,
So guys, I make sure I blended everything well, giving it a uniform blending.
baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
Yeah, this is the best we got. This is the super balm for your hair. It will help you to replenish your hair level, your hair growth, and all that. And I applied this off camera and I had it overnight. Yeah, I had it overnight to allow my hair to soak it up. And as you can see from the hair, it really soaked it up and the coils were really defined, if you can see from my hair. I washed it out and combed out my hair for styling and it's done.
I know you read me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na na na.
This is my daughter's hair and its progress after several usage of this hair mask. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for hanging around with me, and please don't forget to like this video, comment and share with your loved ones. And also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be first to receive the alert of any new video I post. See you in my next video. Bye.